Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to walk you through my current foundation routine featuring L'Oreal Paris True Match Foundation. Most of you already know this is an original favorite for me, and so I just tweaked a few steps. So keep watching to learn how I applied this flawless application. First steps I'm taking are my skincare steps because I want to make sure that the base for my foundation is smooth. So I'm applying an under eye cream and I'm using my ring finger because that has the weakest muscle. You don't want to tug around that skin because it's super thin and delicate, and that's how you create fine lines and wrinkles prematurely. Now I'm going to go in with my True Match Lumi products that I absolutely adore, and these drops are the Glow Armour drops and the Glowtion. So I like to mix the two and then just put it on with a brush. You can use your hands if you would like. I like to do it with a brush to ensure that I'm not applying too much oils from my hands, because that is going to interfere with your foundation. Maybe not immediately, but later on definitely. As you see, my skin looks glowy and healthy, so you can leave your house just like this to run errands. However, this is a foundation routine video, so I'm going to show you the entire look. I'm now in the shade W8, and I usually wear W7 during the colder seasons. However, L'Oreal does provide 44 shades in their collection, and that means you can precisely match your foundation to your skin tone, which is amazing and affordable. At the moment, you can find this extension at your local Walgreens, so be sure to visit your Walgreens so that you can find your true match. My favorite way to apply foundation of any kind is with a sponge, because I feel like it always makes my foundation look really seamless and almost like natural. You can see my skin, and that's really important to me. Even if I'm going for full coverage, I like to still see a bit of my skin or that skin-like look. I'm applying my concealer underneath my eyes and down the bridge of my nose, and once again using that sponge to make sure that it blends into my foundation nicely. I have extremely oily skin, so I'm going to make sure that I set my face starting with underneath my eyes. I use this cool beige tone by Dermablend, and it's going to really help me avoid any creasing. Then I go in with my True Match foundation powder to set the rest of my face, and this time I am using W7 on my face, and then to contour I use C8. The C in C8 stands for cool tones, so you want to use a cool tone when creating shadows on your face. And then I like that I'm using a foundation color because it's going to look more like a skin tone shadow. Now I'm applying my blush to the apples of my cheeks and back towards my hairline. This is going to make sure that everything makes your eye draw up, so when someone's looking at you, your cheekbones look higher and more deep. So that is what I did. Once your makeup is on, then you can do your eyes and your lips however you like. This look is going to be up in a future video, so stay tuned for that. And how beautiful is this color? This is a gorgeous pink nude color from the L'Oreal Infallible collection, and this is their Les Chocolate collection, and it smells like chocolate and it feels amazing on your lips, and it lasts because it's infallible. So this completes your look. I hope you guys found this extremely helpful. Make sure to stop by your Walgreens so you can check out the new range. And till my next video, stay absolutely beautiful.